Hi, I'm Robert Sidick from First CDO Partners. Most companies struggle to govern their data effectively. Even in regulated industries like healthcare and banking, we see businesses do enough just to pass compliance sniff tests, but even they struggle to manage data that isn't within a silo. This can be incredibly frustrating for their leaders who need insights that cut across products, data domains, or lines of business. So instead of having a clear, cohesive picture, they're stuck with fragmented reports that don't tell the whole story. Now, software companies, particularly those that serve customers in these regulated industries like healthcare, have unique challenges in addition to the usual data problems. One of the big ones is around software deployment. Development is happening continuously, with updates and releases being pushed or made available to customers often. If your data governance and security practices are rigid or slow, they'll either hinder the speed at which features can be deployed, or even worse, your developers are going to find ways to circumvent your data practices to ship software. And if you skip on data governance entirely for your DevOps, you'll have data quality issues in your pipelines, difficulty in tracking data through the pipelines, inconsistent data across your environments, and other data related bugs that are time consuming to investigate. So, to have a happy DevOps team, we like to focus on two things: upstream validation and automation. By upstream, I mean introducing data governance validations early in the pipeline to identify problems well before they become an issue for development and deployment. You'll want to monitor things like data lineage and quality in real time to prevent dirty data from propagating through your systems. Yes, I know this is easier said than done, but embedding data governance into your data life cycles is one of those an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure situations. There are data platforms that help with this, like in Informatica, though these robust tools can be a bear to learn and manage. So you can also purchase smaller targeted tools from vendors to meet your specific needs. You can get something from Talend and Big Eye and your data catalog solution and kind of put those together to have an integrated suite of products. It's also a good idea to build out APIs for these governance processes like quality and policy checks so your developers can call them, and for the next step, automation. These APIs will allow data functions to run in a standardized way while being decoupled from your underlying data tools, making them very easy to use and embed into workflows. Once you have all that in place, you can use your preferred orchestration product to create automated governance. By using the metadata you've captured in your catalog or your metadata repository, you can create triggers and roles to enforce governance policies automatically. This approach not only reduces the effort required to have consistent and accurate data, but it also helps minimize your chances of your developers, or worse yet, your customers running into data issues. While this is all easier on paper than in practice, you can turn your data from a liability to a superpower for your DevOps teams. Thank you, and let's do this again sometime.